ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि पेज नंबर 390 391 discussion is not 391
392 second last line
392 So the discussion, this is the Panchama Tarka. Discussion is that bandha, is bandha satyam or not? If Siddhanti says, this was said in the fourth line, paramarthikatvakarena mithyatvam swarupena tu nivrittireva. If this is what Siddhanti proposes, that bandha is from paramarthik standpoint it is mithya, and swarupena it is nivritti. Nivritti means nivritti rupa, it is not there. Then Purvapakshi said, na tasyaha swarupa abadhena api upapattehe. Then its swarupa badha will not happen. Swarupa abadhena. Swarupatah bad, you don't have to do. Why? Because it is paramarthikatvena mithya. Mithya, Purvapakshi is arguing with Siddhanti that you are defining paramarthikatva as traikalika atyanta bhav pratiyogi. Means it is not there in 3 periods of time. If it is not there in 3 periods of time, why do you have to put forth effort to eliminate it? So the efforts for its nivritti is nirarthaka according to Purvapaksha. Iti ched, up to that Purvapakshi said, Siddhanti now says, na, that is not true. So the argument Siddhanti gives this way: Satyasya brahmano nivritti adarshanena. Satya Brahma nivritti doesn't take place. Satyasya brahmano nivritti adarshanena. Swarupato mithyatva abhave nivritti ayogat. Mithyatvam nivritti anukulam eva. Paramarthikatva akarena mithyatvam. Swarupena also you will have to accept its mithyatvam. Swarupatah also it is mithya. Because if prapancha is satya, then its nivritti will not happen. According to Purvapakshi, if they think swarupatah nivritti, But if he doesn't accept swarupatah mithya, then its nivritti will not happen. For example, Brahma swarupena is not mithya. So Brahma nivritti will also not happen. If it is swarupena not mithya, its nivritti will also not happen. So if bandha is not accepted as swarupena mithya, bandha nivritti also will not happen. And mithyatva of bandha is anukula for bandha nivritti, not contradictory or opposing it. So satyasya brahmano nivritti adarshanena. Because Brahma is satya, therefore its nivritti doesn't take place. And swarupatah mithyatva abhava. That which has swarupatah mithyatva abhava, nivritti ayogat, its nivritti will not happen. Therefore, mithyatvam nivritti anukulam eva. Therefore, anything that has mithyatvam, it is anukul for nivritti. So bandha will have swarupatah mithyatvam, therefore its nivritti will happen. Brahma swarupatah does not have mithyatvam, therefore its nivritti will
not happen.
Not happen.
not happen. Nacha tadartham pravritti anupapatti. Purva Pakshi had said, if something is mithya, traikalika atyanta bhava pratiyogi, why would you put forth effort for it? Anyway, it will go away. And atyanta bhava of anything is not yatna sadhya. Couple of lines above, he had said, atyanta bhavasya asadhyatvat. Right? So, there is no need of putting forth effort. Why all this Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasam? So, Siddhanti says, tad artham pravritti anupapattihi na adhishthana sakshatkaranantaram tathaiva. There is no pravritti after adhishthana sakshatkara. Until adhishthana sakshatkara takes place, you are going to put forth effort. For example, let's say in dream, I am chased by a tiger. Tiger is mithya. Will I run in dream or not?
Yes.
At least I will try to. Until I wake up, all my struggle will continue. Means I will find the appropriate means to solve my problem. In the same way, if bandhana, until I have adhishthana jnanam, that bandhana is satyam for me. Therefore, Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam, this prayatna will continue. When I wake up, then it is over. So, adhishthana sakshatkaranantaram tathaiva. Tathaiva means?
Prayatna continues.
You see the
Until-
word.
Okay.
What is the word given there? Pravritti anupapatti. Adhishthana sakshatkaranantaram pravritti anupapatti. See how the vakya is. Nacha tadartham pravritti anupapatti. Adhishthana sakshatkaranantaram tathaiva. After adhishthana sakshatkara, there is pravritti anupapatti. There is no pravritti. Until then, pravritti is there. So I gave Swapna Drashtanta. Here another Drashtanta is given, Prasiddha Drashtanta. Tatah purvam tu kanthagata vismrita chamikara praptaye iva brahma badhaka jnanotpattaye pravritti upapattehe. Tatah purvam, prior to that, kanthagata vismrita chamikara, the necklace which is forgotten, for its prapti, how there is so much effort and struggle, like that the effort will continue. But once it is known that it is prapta, then nobody will put forth effort. So main thing is adhishthana sakshatkar, which will do brahmanasha, avidyanasha. After that, there is no pravritti. Chamikara prapta eva brahma badhaka jnana utpattaye. When brahma badhaka jnana utpatti takes place, tad anantaram pravritti anupapatti. Until then, pravritti upapattehe. Until then, pravritti will continue. So, pravritti is for what? Brahma badhaka jnana utpatti. Means all my focus should be on that. Brahma badhaka jnana utpatti. अत्यंता भावाधिकरणे च प्रतियोगिवत् तन्निवृत्तिरपि उपपादिता एव. Now there is some another example or discussion. In the Atyanta Bhava Adhikarana, Pratiyogi stays. Like that, Avidya Nivritti also stays. In the Atyanta Bhava Adhikarana, Pratiyogi Iva Tannivrittihi. Tannivritti means Avidya Nivritti. Api upapadita eva. In other words, see, prapancha atyanta bhava. Atyanta bhava means atyanta bhava prapancha. Sthula sukshma karana prapancha. Atyanta bhava adhikarana is Brahma. In Brahma, as long as there is prapancha pratiti, means we will not know that I am seeing prapancha in Brahma, I am seeing prapancha in Brahma, this way. We will have only prapancha pratiti. But that prapancha is existing in Brahma. As long as this is true, means as long as I experience the world and not Brahma, where is prapancha existing? In Brahma. Okay, let's say Rajju Sarpa. As long as I see Sarpa, where is Sarpa? Sarpa is in Rajju. Because you cannot say Sarpa is existing. Sarpa in Rajju means Sarpa is in Rajju Avachinna Chaitanya. This is true. We cannot say Sarpa is existing somewhere else. Sarpa has to exist there only. But once Adhishthana Jnana takes place, Rajju, then where is Sarpa? Then there is no Sarpa. So, Atyanta Bhava Adhikarane cha Pratiyogi iva tan nivrittihi api upapadita eva. So, in the Adhikarana, the Adhyastha Vastu, whether it is Prapancha or Sarpa, it is having प्रातिभाषिक सत्व, प्रातिभाषिक और व्यावहारिक, depending upon what it is. But in that adhikarana, there is atyanta bhava also of that vastu. Atyanta bhava also exists in that adhikarana alone. So in adhikarana, I will have to accept pratyogi also and pratyogi atyanta bhava also. Right? But pratyogi is there only until I gain knowledge. Atyanta bhav is there after I gain knowledge. Actually, atyanta bhav is there all the time. Pratiti will be there ajnana kale. So after knowledge, there is neither the pratyogi nor its pratiti, nor its cognition. Okay. न च त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगिनी तुच्छे निवृत्तिर न द्रष्टा इति कथम तादृशी प्रपंचे सा स्यात् इति वाच्यम्. त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगिनी तुच्छे निवृत्ति ही न दृष्टा. पूर्व पक्षी हैज आर्ग्यूमेंट. ही सेज त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगी तुच्छ. तुच्छ मीन्स शश विषाण वंध्यापुत्र etc. They are also त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगी. त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगी means in 3 periods of time they are never there. Shasha Vishan is never there, Vandhyaputra is never there, etc. etc. So they are त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगी. And you are saying Jagat is also त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगी. Okay, so Purva Pakshi has a Vyapti. What is the Vyapti? He says, Yat त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगी तत्तत् निवृत्ति अभाववत्. Anything that is त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगी, it will not have निवृत्ति. निवृत्ति अभाव वाला, its निवृत्ति will not happen. दृष्टांत is तुच्छ वस्तु शश विषाण. So shasha vishana nivritti will happen?
No.
Purva
No.
Paksha, no.
Yeah.
According to Purva Paksha, shasha vishana nivritti will not happen, and it is Traikalika Nisheda Pratiyogi. So he will put Paksha as Prapancha. Prapancha also is Traikalika Nisheda Pratiyogi. So Prapancha nivritti will not happen. Prapancha nivritti abhavavan. This is Purva Paksha's argument. Siddhanti has to refute this now. Siddhanti says, this is इति न च वाच्यम यथा कथंचित सजातीये अदर्शनस्य अप्रयोजकत्वात्. This is यथा कथंचित सजातीय. सजातीय means sadrishya is, some sadrishya is there. It is not a real one. Means you are saying Tuchha also has Traikalika Nisheda Pratiyogitvam. Prapancha also has Traikalika Nisheda Pratiyogitvam. But it is an inappropriate Vyapti. So this is also Jati Uttara. This is called Jati Uttara. This kind of Vyapti is having error. Purvapakshi's argument is countered by Siddhanti with another Anumana. So Purvapakshi's Anumana was this: Prapanchaha nivritti abhavavan Traikalika nisheda pratiyogitvat tuchchavat. Siddhanti will say Shabdah Rupavan Kritakatvat Ghatavat. Shabda is Rupavan because Kritaka, it is created like Ghata. Vyapti will be Yatra Yatra Kritakatvam Tatra Tatra Rupavatvam or Rupatvam. Tatra Rupatvam. So what is Kritaka? Has Rupa, Rupavatvam. So Ghata is Kritaka, therefore it has Rupa. So Shabda is also Kritaka, therefore.
Shabda has Rupa.
So Shabda doesn't have Rupa. Shabda is only Shabda. Shabda itself is a Guna. Guna cannot have another Guna. But this is an erroneous Vyapti. So this is called Jati Uttara. Yatha Kathanchit Sajatiye Adarsanasya Aprayojakatvat. Anyatha, Adarshana means Nivritti Adarshana. In Yatha Kathanchit Sajatiye, in Tuchha you say, I have not seen Nivritti. Like, see, we also say this, right? That when will the sarp go away from Rajju? It will never go away. Why it will not go away?
Because it was never there.
Because it is never there. That which is not there, the prapancho yadi vidyeta kalpito yadi kenachit. Then there is nivritti. Prapancho vinivarteta kalpito yadi kenachit. Something like that, Karika is there in Mandukya. So here, prapancha nivritti is not happening. It's just like Vandhyaputra nivritti will not happen. So adarsanasya, this is aprayojaka hetu. Anyatha, anutpanne nivrittir na drashta iti pragabhavopi na nivarteta. Anutpanne nivrittihi na drashta iti. So Siddhanti will give another anumana just to refute this Purvapakshi's idea. Pragabhava. Pragabhava nivritti abhavavan. Pragabhava nivritti doesn't happen. This is the pratignya. Anutpannatvat, because it is anutpanna. Tuchhavat. Yatra yatra anutpannatvam tatra tatra nivritti abhavavatvam. That which is not utpanna will not have nivritti. Like in tuchha. Tuchha is not utpanna, it will not have nivritti, it will have nivritti abhava. Pragabhava. Pragabhava utpatti is there.
No.
Pragabhav doesn't have utpatti. So Pragabhav will not have nivritti also. Shashavishan doesn't have utpatti, Shashavishan doesn't have nivritti. Pragabhav doesn't have utpatti. Pragabhav will not have nivritti. Same thing you can say about avidya also. Avidya doesn't have utpatti.
Utpatti.
Avidya will not have nivritti. Then what is the use of any darshana? All darshanas are there for avidya nivritti. So this is erroneous vyapti. अनुत्पन्ने निवृत्तिर न दृष्टा इति प्रागभावपि न निवर्तेत तस्मात् स्वभाव विशेष एव तुच्छ नित्य विलक्षणो निवृत्ति प्रयोजक इति वाच्यम. Therefore, स्वभाव विशेष which is तुच्छ नित्य विलक्षण. तुच्छ means Vandhyaputra, nitya means Brahma, that which is neither tuchha nor nitya. Some such swabhava vishesha is nivritti prayojaka. Because that which is nitya, its nivritti will not happen. That which is tuchha, its nivritti will not happen. Everything else, there is a nivritti. What is that swabhava vishesha? That is called anirvachaniya. So because of that, it is mithya therefore its nivritti is possible. That will become nivritti prayojaka swabhava vishesha iti vachyam. साच निवृत्ति अधिकरण स्वरूपा इति पक्षे घटनाशार्थम मुद्गर पातादाविव मननादौ प्रवृत्ति रूहनीया. साच निवृत्ति ही अधिकरण स्वरूपा. दिस निवृत्ति इज अधिकरण स्वरूपा. इफ somebody thinks like that, different pakshas are taken. So prapanch nivritti or avidya nivritti is nothing but adhikarana itself. Then tat pakshe ghatanashartham mudgar patadaviva mananado pravritti ruhaniya. Then in that paksha, ghatanashartham, for the destruction of the ghata, mudgar patadaviva, like how somebody who doesn't understand ghata is mithya. What will that person do for ghata nivritti? He will do mudgar pata, because he understands only destruction as the means of eliminating ghata. Person who already knows, he will see that ghata is nothing but mrittika and his job is over. He has already done the laya of ghata in its karana. So the karana is Brahma, there its laya has happened. Mudgar patadaviva mananadau pravritti hi uhaniya kalpaniya. In manana nididhyasanam, pravritti should be there. For the person who has yet not understood that prapancha is mithya and I am Brahma, for that person pravritti will be there. Atirikta iti pakshe tu anirvachaniya. If that nivritti is atirikta, atirikta means it is other than Brahma. Avidya nivritti or prapancha nivritti is different from Brahma. Then it will be also mithya. This we have discussed. Avidya nivritti cannot be satya. Because if avidya nivritti is satya, then you will have dvaitam. You have Brahma and avidya nivritti. If you have avidya nivritti as mithya, then that is this paksha. If you say avidya nivritti is Brahma Rupa, then it was previous paksha. Next paksha is Panchama Prakara, Charama Vritti Rupava. Panchama Prakara. What is the Panchama Prakara? Who says avidya nivritti is Panchama Prakara? Vimuktatman. Acharya Vimuktatman says avidya nivritti is not sat, not asat, not sadasat, nor mithya. So neither sat nor asat nor ubhaya nor anubhaya. But fifth type, Panchama Prakara. Charamavritti Rupava, or of the nature of Charamavritti. Charamavritti means Brahmakar Vritti Rupa. What is meant by Brahmakar Vritti Rupa? See, this is another paksha. Let's say Brahmakar Vritti takes place. When does avidya nivritti happen? Before Brahmakar Vritti or after Brahmakar Vritti?
समकालीन.
Simultaneously.
So this paksha says Brahmakar vritti and avidya nivritti, they will happen together. But they are of different nature. Because Brahmakar vritti is something which is a positive entity. It is a bhavarupa padartha. Nivritti is dhvansa, avidya dhvansa, avidya nasha. So their nature is different, but two things can happen at the same time. So that is this paksha, charama vritti. But it is sarvatha janya eva iti na kapi anupavatti. But that avidya nivritti is janya. This much is common. Whether it is adhikarana swarupa, atirikta, anirvachaniya, panchama prakara, charama vritti rupa, whatever you call. But it is janya. So avidya nivritti will take place. Avidya nivritti is upalakshana for Atma. This is a famous shloka. I think you should memorize this shloka. It is given in Advait Siddhi. It will come later in the 4th chapter. It is there in Chitsukhi also. Slightly different is there in Chitsukhi. Here Acharya has put it slightly differently. What is the shloka? Upalakshananashepi muktasyat pachakadivat. This is the second line. First line is Nivrittiratma mohasya. This is the first pada. Nivrittiratma mohasya jnatatveno upalakshitaha. Mohasya nivritti is Atma. Atma jnataha. Now I know Atma. I have explained this earlier. Now I know Atma. This is only upalakshana. Known Atma. Known Atma means, because you see, avidya nivritti will happen and it will go. Other than Brahma, nothing remains. So it is like the crow sitting on the house of Devadatta, and crow will go away. Devadatta's house is like Atma. It will remain. So just as crow is upalakshana for Devadatta's griham, like that avidya nivritti is upalakshana for Atma. So there someone can say Atma Jnata. Further now, Nanu bandhasya, this is the next one. Nanu bandhasya brahmani adhyastatve tannididhyasana sadhya tat sakshatkara nivartyatvam श्रवणादि नियमादृष्ट सापेक्ष ब्रह्म ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वं च न स्यात्. Let us see this much. Bandhasya brahmani adhyasthatve. If Brahma is adhyastha in Brahma, if Bandha is adhyastha in Brahma, then nididhyasana sadhya tat sakshatkara nivartyatvam. Through nididhyasana, we attain the sakshatkara. साक्षात्कार निवर्त्यत्वम श्रवणादि नियमादृष्ट सापेक्ष. श्रवणादि नियम adrishta. When you do shravanam, mananam, etc., it will produce some punya, adrishta, through the niyama. Sapeksha, shravanadi niyama adrishta sapeksha, brahma jnana nivartyatvam cha na syat. It will not be brahma jnana nivartyam. Bandhasya brahma jnana nivartyatvam cha na syat. We will discuss this in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.